What up, y'all? Let me cut the music. Man, I wasn't gonna even record today, man, but I said fuck it, I'll pull it out. Working on the daily. Working on the daily today. Just doing some new brakes. Just I let them get way too low. Oil change on the daily, and then I'm gonna do an oil change on the green truck, and then put that sunroof motor in. And I don't know, I might try to clean this garage up and cut some grass. Just basically do stuff around the house today while I got an off day. Man, look, man, I bought some new wheels for the green truck. Check me out. Damn, look at them, boy. Ooh wee, big boy tire. Man, that motherfucker's so ugly. But now I'll just put some air in my tire. I'm finna clean them up. Clean these wheels up a little bit so I can get them back on there. Oh, and then they couldn't lift the truck, man. Talking about the shock bushing on the lower control arm is bad. And man, they told me, $1,400 to replace lower control arm and labor. Bro, are you crazy, man? I can get both lower control arms for $100. He quoted me, I think it was like $6 something for parts and like, of course, $6 something for labor plus tax and shit. Man, I'm gonna come pick my truck up, man. Don't worry about it. I'll get that done. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just order lower control arms. I'm gonna order the lift shocks for it, and I'm gonna order the torsion keys, and I'm gonna just have my cousin and put all that stuff on, and then just take it somewhere and get it lined up, and then I'll still be riding around that $500 mark with them doing that. Like I said, I just have to take it somewhere and get the alignment done. But no, bro, I'm not paying that. So that's out of the question. But yeah, man, man, look at these brakes. I don't know why, man. I let this truck. I never ride like this, man. But this right here, this is unacceptable. Look at that, unacceptable, man. That's ridiculous, crazy. So let me get back to it. I might set the camera up. No, I ain't got no. Well, I can probably set it right there. It's a little shady, but yeah, man, I'm gonna get all this crap wrapped up, and y'all just go along with me for the day, man. Ride with me. All right, be right back. All right, got brakes changed, oil changed. Man, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start on the daily, man. The daily actually sound pretty good. It's got a Dynamax muffler, 3-inch muffler with no cats. Hold on, let me pause this music. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start, man. Ain't a lot of the daily sound, like I said, 3-inch Dynamax muffler with no cats, and yeah, this sounds good. I want to put a truck noise cam in it. I think that's gonna sound good once I get it, sitting right, looking right how I want it. Yeah, I'm gonna look good. But I'm gonna give y'all a cold start on this thing. Hey, she puffed out a little smoke when I hit it to it, and I hit it a little harder. But I mean, it got a lot of miles on it, man. But this truck run good as hell, so you know, hey, it is what it is. Got 222,000 on it. Yeah. She do her job. Hear her talking. I'll get it cleaned up, put some tire shine on it. Probably vacuum out the inside for my kiddos, but I love this truck, man. Like I said, I bought the truck for my granddad probably about a few months before he passed, and that's why we got the Mississippi tag on the back. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get it cleaned up, and yeah, this is my baby right here. But all right, I'm finna clean all this crap up, and I'm finna get started on this green one. All right, y'all. Let's see. So, yeah, turn around. Yeah, so we got the new motor and everything. This is basically the box to basically note. I can't even get the shit out, y'all. So I can just press the button, automatic open and close. So basically I just gotta wire it up to this. So pop the old thing off. I got my heat shrink, get that together. So yeah, that's what I'm finna do now. Alright. Alright, y'all. We got it all in here. Got it installed. I got it open right now. So open it up. Uh-oh. Yeah. Get off my face, man. I don't want to do that stupid stuff. Hold on. Okay. Yep. Just hit the button. Look at that. By itself. Just. Boop. We got action, baby. We got action. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's get out of there. Gotta go by Graham's crib. Help her out with some stuff right quick. Come on, man. Help her out with some stuff. Her house. This motherfucker ain't even got no gas. A little bit, but not much. I got juice. Got enough juice. We're going AC on them though. With the windows up, sunroof back. Yes, Lord. That's what I'm talking about. Man, I'm so glad my sunroof back working. But yeah, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything, if I'm gonna add anything up this whole day, but that's what it is probably for right now. Ride this thing for a minute. Get it cleaned up. Yeah, that's it, man. Hey, man. It's late. Hold on, stupid camera. Dang. It's late, man. Quick service announcement, man, about this old stuff. What they don't tell you, it's always something. It's always something with this old stuff, man. Had a good day. Got my sunroof fixed. Got the changed the oil in it. Went to pull the truck in. No brakes. Leaking brake fluid. Rear brake line just breaks. Just burns up. Guess it was sitting on the exhaust. So yeah, gotta replace that now. It's always something, y'all. It's always something. So if you're a person that I want an old school or some old, granted, my truck is 89. I mean, yes, I would consider an old school. It's old. If you don't know how to work on this stuff, I don't recommend it. I'm gonna just be honest with you. I do not recommend. If you don't know how to turn wrenches on your own, don't do it. Just leave it alone. Just get you something new, some nice wheels, make it fast, whatever you want to do. But this old shit is annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna check out on that. This dude, this little ugly ass dude. Now what up, bro? Dude, man, how you been alright, bro? What you mean?
You went to Indiana?
Bro, you gotta come back there. You gotta come back
I was just in Indiana for my birthday.
Motherfucker sound good. just to let y'all know, man. This video gonna be a little random. I'm gonna just adding to it. Yesterday we went to the Sleep Fest STL car show. And then today we finna work on this, work on the green truck. I was having some overheating issues in Indy, and I think it's my water pump and my thermostat. So I'm gonna just change both. It's water pump or thermostat, but I'm gonna just change both. Yesterday I was just sitting in some traffic yesterday, and it ran up to 215 on a 75-degree day. Like that's just way too hot. So I'm gonna get that swapped out. Just about got it. I started letting the fluid out. Yeah, I started letting the fluid out. So I'm gonna get that all done so I can. Oh, and hopefully they fix my issue. Oh damn, maybe I'm pointing down. But yeah, got the new water pump, new thermostat, new gaskets. Man, I ordered it off Amazon. It's like $60-$70, and O'Reilly wanted $180. So y'all know what I paid, $180. I mean that $70 water pump. I wasn't paying no $180. No, we called us a budget bill. Just gonna do the same thing. So. Alright, man, I'm finna go ahead and get kicked up on this right quick and play some music. But it's a nice day to work on my truck. I don't want to work on it, but gotta get it fixed. So can't leave it like it is. So we'll check back in a minute.